Hey guys, welcome back. I haven't had Dairy Queen since what, last summer? I just had to go to Adri's school and pick up her yearbook. I completely forgot. They called today and said they're gonna be there today and tomorrow, and then they're done for the summer. So I'm like, I gotta go get her yearbook. So I just picked up her yearbook and I'm heading back to my town. So I'm like, you know what? I am stopping at Dairy Queen. So I have a footlong coney with onion. So excited, I'm hungry. I have an order of nachos. I remember one of the times I posted a Dairy Queen video, so many people said they didn't even know that Dairy Queen had nachos. And then I wanted to get the Wonder Woman, it's a Wonder Woman Collision Blizzard. So I ordered and she said, did you want the medium or something else? I couldn't tell what she said, and I said, I just want the smaller size. Look how little it is. It's so small, it's like smaller than a man. I don't even know what's in it. But it's the Wonder Woman. And on the picture, I thought it was something else. So the one that looked good wasn't even this one, but. It's a Blizzard Mini. So that tastes like a bite of cookie dough. Oh, it's good. Good. And I got a Pepsi. So yeah, nachos and a coney dog. So you guys have heard me talk about my grandma in many of my videos. She battled cancer of her face for like the last, I don't even know how many years. Look at my sunburn. Wow, I didn't realize the line on my neck. Like the past so many days, my dad's just been giving me an update every day of what her blood pressure is. Like they call it in hospice. So like every day I get an update of what her blood pressure is, what her O2 is, what her heart rate is, all that stuff. And this morning I didn't get that text. I got a text that she passed away this morning. I'm glad she's no longer in pain, because the way she's been living the last, I don't even know how long, it's just no way to live whatsoever. We were all ready for her to go. It's like, Grandma, just go. It's okay to go. It still hurts. My dad. He was home for like a week or two, but then she started going downhill really, really bad. So my dad's sister, my aunt, told me, oh, she's not gonna make it much longer. So my dad left and went back down to help take care of her. So they basically just been like packing up her stuff, just waiting day by day. Like I couldn't imagine just sitting there waiting for my parent to just finally pass away. She's like been asleep for days. And then I think the last time she spoke was when she wanted my dad to hold her hand and she asked my dad for a hug. So he said he gave her a hug from him, a hug from me, and a hug from my sister. And I don't think she spoke ever since then. So he's just been sitting there packing her stuff, just waiting, just hanging out there all day. They were giving her morphine like every couple hours just to keep her comfortable. I just want to hug my dad. He's like 8 hours away. So I text my brother. I've been texting my brother every day to let him know. let him know what's been going on. Like he was in the Army, now he's in the National Guard. So he's like a few states away. He got sent to, okay. He's been going to these like COVID hotspots for like the last 2 months. Like working in prisons and stuff. So it's like he was saying, you know, when it comes time for the funeral or whatever they decide to do, he doesn't want to make people mad by not coming home, but he's been in these COVID hotspots. Like he shouldn't be around like all these people. So I told him it's okay. You know, we'll figure it out when that time comes. No one's gonna be mad though. These are really good. Really fresh and crispy. My grandma, she's already, like years ago, she lost her husband. She lost one of her daughters, one of her sons. And the other night when I was in the ER, like I got signed in and I was sitting there waiting in the lobby, waiting my turn. And this old man pulled up to the doors and he had his mask on. He was outside and he just kept pacing back and forth in front of the ER doors and he kept peeking in. There's a lady right at the doors that takes your temperature and gives you a mask like as soon as you walk in. She was like, you know, that guy's back. Would they have called him and said that his wife was getting discharged? And so the lady at the counter was like, yeah, I just pulled it up. She's being released. Or discharged. So I'm just sitting there watching. He was probably out there for like 10 minutes and he just kept walking back and forth, just pacing, just watching. He didn't come in. And then like the inside doors open and a nurse came pushing this wheelchair out with his wife in it. And she wheeled her out to the lobby and then pressed the doors, like opened the doors to go outside. And as soon as the doors open, all you heard is this really like happy and excited, there she is. And I broke down and started sobbing. Yeah. I started like, oh my gosh, I'm like, that's how it's gonna be when Grandma finally goes. You know, Grandpa and my aunt and my uncle are just gonna be pacing up there in heaven, pacing around, watching for her, and then when they see her, they're just gonna let out a big, there she is. I have no doubt. I did. I sat there and sobbed. gloomy day. Oh, come on. There's a whole empty parking lot. Literally. Put some cheese on here. I want to put this window up and put the other one down because they're like 2 spots away and they have their windows down, but I don't want to look like a freak. So awkward. Adri's yearbook. Her yearbook's so cute. Look how cute. Other picture on it. Should be excited. Today is Thursday. what today is. Tuesday is June 2nd. And Jackson has an appointment with the neurologist in Dublin, Ohio. To check and see if it's So he saw the pediatric ophthalmologist a few weeks ago to make sure Liv's not in the way of his vision. He goes back July 16th to check that and see if his eyesight has changed. But he goes to the neurologist Tuesday. They want to check and see, like, make sure there's no signs of it being anything nerve related. So right now they think it's just like a weak muscle, like a weak eye muscle. But yeah, we're going back to see the neurologist to make sure it's not an issue with nerves. But that also means I'll probably get Chick-fil-A Tuesday. Oh. The 2 times my mom took me down, we went to this pub. This pub place is called the Rusty Bucket, and their food was amazing. But when Jay and I went this last time, it's like, we can't go there, they're not open. But they'll probably be open, so I don't know, should we get Chick-fil-A or should we go to the pub? He's never been to that pub. But I said it's still one parent though, so he'll have to sit in the car while I get Jackson in. I don't remember when his first appointment was. All I remember is he was sitting up and he was still like learning to sit up, and he kind of fell over and hit the wall, and the neurologist felt so bad. He's like, I'm sorry, I didn't know he was gonna fall over. So I tried to catch him. It's, man, how old was he when we went for the first time? Hopefully Jax doesn't get mad. He's got the worst temper already. He flings himself backwards and just screams. Like if him and Allie are fighting over a toy. Oh my god. I don't know who's worse, him or her. But this whole parking lot is like empty. And they park 2 spots away with their windows down. Like I kept looking at my rearview mirror because like back there they built a Casey's across, I don't know, you can't see it. Casey's General Store gas station, whatever it's called. Like a while ago. And they put in so many pumps, like I never see cars there. Now there's 2 cars there. But it has so many gas pumps. Like some of the Casey's around here are like always packed, but this one, I don't know, it's just not. That's when I went, I wasn't sure which button to push. There's literally like 6 different options for gas when you pull up to the pump. I didn't know which one was the right one, so. I'm just staring off into a field. My mind is all over the place. So things are opening again. I need to go to the dentist. I need to get the kids to the dentist. I'm gonna go to the vein center and have them look at my veins. My leg. Which is just the one leg. And Jay's still off work, so at least I know I have a babysitter while he's off work. Because if he's off, my stepdad's in the process of moving. My mom and her mom, like her mom, they're still not doing the like interacting with people thing. Oh, it looks like there's pieces of brownie and pieces of cookie dough, maybe. Is that what it is? Like chocolate ice cream with brownie pieces and cookie dough? I don't know what it is. Oh, there's chocolate and there's cookie dough pieces in here. Okay. Come on. Yeah, because those are brownie pieces. Yep, and cookie dough. There you go, that's what the collision is. Brownie meets cookie dough. That was good though. I can't even eat this tiny size. Springling. Alright, I'm full. I gotta get going. Oh my god, that's so funny. Got burnt yesterday. Watching Adri ride her bike outside. I don't know what's up with my neck though. Look looks ridiculous. All right. I gotta go. Thanks for having lunch with me. If you still have your grandparents, next time you see them, hug them really tight. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.